Lesson 1, copywriting. This is where the fun begins. This is my favourite word in the entire world, and it is what I have lived, breathed and sweat for the last few years and literally spent tens of thousands of my own money on learning. It is, as I call it, the magnum opus of online sales. This is the backbone of my entire formula, the skill that holds all the other skills together. Without good copywriting, online sales would plummet, no matter how good your email infrastructure is, no matter how good your website is. It doesn't matter. You could have the best offer in the world, you could have the most beautiful website, you could have the best editing and the most gorgeous paid actors in your ads. If your script's rubbish, if your copywriting's bad, if your landing page sucks, your sales are going to plummet. Copywriting is the absolute alpha omega of selling online, and that is what you're going to learn in all of my courses. You're going to learn surface level copywriting, which is good enough to make whatever it is that you've got now better than what it is, and then you're going to learn the really extremely advanced stuff later on in the course. But for now, by the end of this lesson, you will understand what copywriting is and why it is so important to every single business. Learn the 3 different types of copywriting, what they're used for, understand the basic structure, for formatting copy, and write your first marketing email. So what is copywriting? Why is it different from content writing? Copywriting, as I like to call it, is the art of persuasion through words. The whole point of copywriting is persuading someone to buy your offer or persuading someone to do something that you want. So think of it like this. You've got, on one hand, informative content, and on the other hand, persuasive copywriting. Informative content would say something like, this course teaches you copywriting, email software management, and market research. Copywriting would say, you're struggling with bad content, you don't know how to run an email software, and your market research is terrible. So this course teaches you how to solve that problem. That's the difference. So it's obviously a lot more complicated than that, and you're going to learn how to do it like an absolute master by the end of this course, but that is the key difference. Content is just informative, explaining something. Copywriting is persuading people, and that is where sales come from. Persuading people that they need to buy whatever it is that you're selling, whether it's a service, offer, product, whatever it is. Copywriting is what persuades them it's the right thing to do. And again, you're going to learn in this course as well that some people are closer to that decision than others. So you use different types of copywriting to get someone who is extremely skeptical to buy it versus someone who already wants to buy it and just pushing them over that edge. There's loads of different, angles that you can hit from. And copywriting is how you do it. It's writing text that is designed to influence or persuade people into spending money on a product or service. It's a high value skill. You get paid thousands for it. Whether it's your own business, if you're using copywriting in your emails, you're going to be getting paid thousands. If you're a freelancer doing it for another business, that business is going to pay you thousands to do it because you're going to be helping them make thousands. So copywriting is just all about making more money and getting more sales. An example, if a landing page has a 25% conversion rate from visitors, and it only has basic surface level content on the landing page, then as soon as you change that content to the copywriting skills that you're going to learn throughout this course, then that landing page's conversion rate would increase from 25% to 50% because the copywriting will have done a better job at persuading people to take the action that landing page wants them to take. Make sense? So there's 3 different types of copy. 2 are traditional conversion copywriting. The other one's a little bit more complicated. It's like a mixture of a few different things. I'm not going to learn about it in this course though. There's conversion copywriting. So you've got direct response. This is the most well-known form of copywriting, and this is what most people just pump out 24/7. This is designed to get an immediate response from the reader. This is your flash sales, your urgent act now, 10 spots left, get this, or you're going to die. That's your direct response. Branded copywriting is the most useful type of traditional copywriting, which is designed to warm up potential leads and highlight brand attributes by providing free value, giving them a reason to want to read your copy, whether it's emails, whether it's websites, whatever it is. Branded copywriting is what gives people a reason to actually read your content and trust you. And then finally, SEO copywriting. We're not going to learn about that in this course. If you want to learn about SEO copywriting, I've got a full course just on search engine optimization and ranking on Google. But for now, SEO copywriting is a mixture between sales and search engine best practices. So, structure for copywriting. Let's get back to conversion copy. Well-structured copy ensures that your message is both impactful and easy to read. So when in doubt, just follow this basic structure. This is the first structure you're going to use. At the end of the lesson, I'm going to give you a task to complete, and this is the structure that you're going to use. You start with a hook. So the opening line should grab attention and encourage users to read further. Struggling to stay focused? We've got tips to help. Did you know that you could save 30% on your next purchase? Whatever it is that you think will interest the reader enough to get them to read the rest of your email, that is what the hook is. To grab their attention immediately. Then, once you've hooked the reader, the copy, the body copy, which explains your offer, should focus more on benefits than features. So highlight what the audience gains rather than just describing what it is that you've got. Instead of saying, we have copywriting modules that teach you how to write good copy, you will say, you will learn how to write copy that makes more sales for your business so that you can make more money. So you'll amplify the benefits of the feature rather than just saying what the feature is. Feature focused, our app has 10 new updates, but a benefit focused line would be our app saves you time, our 10 powerful new time saving features. So it's all about wording and framing things as benefits pretty much. This is the most simple, basic surface level structure. And then finally, end the copy with a call to action. This is guiding your audience to the next step, whether it's liking a post, whether it's sharing something, whether it's purchasing, whether it's clicking a link, whether it's entering their email, whatever it is that you want them to do with your copy. In this case, let's do emails. If you're writing an email, you want them to go to a landing page. Your call to action is click the link, shop now. That'll take them to a product page. Or click the link, do whatever, book a call. Tag a friend who needs to see this. Whatever it is that you want them to do, the end of the copy should tell the reader to do that and give them a reason to do the thing that you want them to do. Basic structure. Now, throughout the course, you're going to learn how to do all that properly. So don't worry, I'm purposefully not telling you how to do it right because I want you guys to be able to go back, have a look at what you've done and compare it to how good it gets later on. So for now, your key takeaways: copywriting is persuasive language that encourages sales. Conversion copywriting focuses on sales. SEO is focused on visibility. You want to always start your copy with a hook to engage readers, lead with benefits of what you're selling, and finish with a strong call to action that encourages readers to click. Excuse me. So, your task for this lesson is to write an email selling the first thing you see. Whatever it is. You could try and sell a coffee mug. You could try and sell a filter tip pen. You could try and sell a course that you're watching. That's a terrible movement of my camera. You could try and sell a course that you're watching. First thing you see in front of you right now, wherever it is that you sat, sell it. If you're in your bed, sell your duvet. If you've got a watch on your wrist, sell your watch. Whatever it is, write an email and sell it, following that basic structure. Now, before I end the lesson, I want to visualize what copywriting is to show you the difference as well between content and copy. And hopefully it should give you an idea of how you should be writing your emails. Now, I'm not using an email example here. This will be better suited for like a landing page, something like that. But it does follow the same basic framework that I just told you about: hook, benefits, call to action. And I'll give it a headline as well. So this is an example of copywriting, from scroll to sale, where copy meets conversions. Most people write copy that gets ignored. The pros write words that move people. This course gives you the tools, the frameworks, and the psychology to turn plain writing into a revenue-generating skill, whether you're selling your own offer or writing for clients. This isn't just another copywriting course. It's your marketing Bible. No fluff, no filler, just techniques you can use today. Benefits: learn battle-tested frameworks used by top direct response copywriters to convert cold leads into paying customers. Master storytelling and emotional triggers so your words stick, build trust, and make people feel something. Write with speed and clarity, no guesswork, no robotic AI scripts. Apply what you learn immediately, whether you're crafting landing pages, emails, ads, or full-blown sales campaigns. Build a skill that pays for itself fast, opening doors to freelance work, agency opportunities, or scaling your own business. Call to action, enroll now, learn to write the kind of copy people don't just read, they act on. So that's an example of copywriting. So that's not content. So content would say something like, here is our copywriting course. Our copywriting course includes copywriting techniques, storytelling and emotional techniques, clarity techniques, applying what you learn techniques. Do you know what I mean? So that'd be the difference. This is copywriting. This is persuading people it's a good thing to do. So most people write copy that gets ignored. The pros write words that move people. It gives you everything that you need to turn plain writing into a revenue generating skill. So it's framing everything as benefits. So to the untrained eye, right, I'm going to drop a bombshell on you now. This is copywriting. This is an example of copywriting. And to the untrained eye, you might think it's super duper good. Well, I am here to pull the curtain down and tell you that this is terrible. This is actually really poor. This is a really, really, really bad example of copywriting. And the reason it's a really bad example is because it's AI generated. Now, this is a massive thing at the moment with people just generating AI, especially my students. Now it's got to a point where every single lesson, every single task I give you all, you're just using AI. And it is absolutely atrocious, and I'm sick of seeing it. So you're not going to do it anymore. You're going to immediately fail if I see that you've used AI. We do have lessons which show you how to use AI correctly and how you can use it as a tool to help you. But if I see anyone sending this, which is pure AI generated content, you will just immediately fail and have to do it again. So you're just wasting your own time. The whole point of this course is that you learn the skills, practice the skills, and then actually get good at using them. If you've got no attention span whatsoever and you're just zoning out, watching these, waiting for me to give you a task and then telling AI to do it for you, it's an absolute waste of time. Maybe in the future AI will get better, but right now, as of November 2025, it is rubbish. This is being generated by ChatGPT 5.1, a bot that has also been trained on every single copywriting lesson I have ever made. Because a lot of the slides, well, not a lot of them, all of the slides that I have been generated by AI after I've prompted AI and told it what I wanted in each slide. So I've given it a brief breakdown of everything that I want in every slide and every technique and how to do it correctly, and AI just expands on it so I can put it in the presentation. It's super good. All the information is correct because I've gone through and I've hand checked it and made sure that it's all right. So AI has been trained on everything that you're about to be trained on, and it's still generated this, which is terrible. It's absolutely atrocious. It's the worst copy ever. To the untrained eye, it might look really good, but it's not. It's terrible. It's full of AI tells, it stinks, it's slop, it's robotic, there's no empathy, no personality in it. I'm going to teach you how to write good copy, and I've got a corresponding example, so just so that you can see the difference between human handwritten copy and AI generated slop. And again, one more time, any of you submit AI generated slop, I'll just fail you. I can spot it a mile away. I've been doing this for years. I mark hundreds and hundreds of assessments every single week. I know what AI looks like. I use it daily. If you send me AI generated slop, I will fail you just for being lazy. So please don't do it. Please make an effort to actually write and use the techniques that I'm asking you to do, not to just prompting AI. So here's the difference. Let's look at the headline. From scroll to sale, where copy meets conversions. It's just crap. So this is my headline. Snap necks with hard-hitting, can't look away copywriting to help your business steal sales from your competitors, even if you've never written marketing copy in your life. Much stronger headline. Not going to explain why, because you'll learn how to do it later, but much stronger headline. Let's have a look at the hook. Most people write copy that gets ignored. The pros write words that move people. This course gives you the tools, the frameworks, the psychology to turn plain writing into a revenue-generating skill, whether you're selling your own offer or writing for clients. This isn't just another copywriting course. It's your marketing Bible. No fluff, no filler, just techniques you can use today. It's just robotic, it's crap. People are sick to death of seeing it, it's crap. So this is my version. If your copywriting sucks and isn't doing the persuading it should be, then this page will show you how to fix it. Non-existent email engagement, bounce rates aplenty, and underperforming ad campaigns that barely break even. Whatever your marketing problems are, all of them can be solved with this little-known, extremely effective copywriting formula that almost hypnotizes customers to reading, acting, and buying from your marketing copy. Much stronger, I'll explain why later. Benefits. This one's actually quite good. I don't like that. Learn battle tester persuasion frameworks. Pretty good. Storytelling and emotional triggers. No guesswork. No robotic AI scripts. Hilarious. AI actually wrote that. Whether you're crafting landing pages, emails, ads, or full-blown sales campaigns, it's rubbish. Mine, the neural hijack method that makes readers physically unable to stop reading your emails, borrowed from neuroscience research that most marketers don't even know exists. You'll learn the brain hack for non-writers, even if you're not a writer or worse, can't write at all. This neurological shortcut gets your emails read, clicked, and bought from fast. It's what lets people brand spanking new to emails bring in sales right off the bat. The mind-reading method that gets you inside the head of your prospects so you know exactly what they're thinking, when they're thinking it, and what to say so that they hit the buy now button. Heart-stopping headlines that snap necks mid-scroll. Even the most apathetic readers will perk up and lean in. And the Franken copy formula that blends more than 200 years of direct response copywriting into proven frameworks that works for your business. So AI, enroll now, learn to write copy people don't just read, they act on. Or learn how to skyrocket sales for your business and never look back, but you have to be fast. We've only got room for 30 students. The first 10 who sign up get 30% discount. It's a lot better. I'll explain why and you'll understand why as the course goes on. But, I just want to quickly explain some of the stuff that I've done, which, despite being trained on it, AI just doesn't know how to do it. So, for example, you might be wondering, what is the neural hijack method that makes readers physically unable to stop reading your emails? Well, it's there. These 8 words. Is that 8 words? 9 words. That's the neural hijack method. So the neural hijack method, I just gave it a fancy name to make it super duper intriguing. It's a technique, it's a psychological technique. It gives someone a fancy curiosity-driven name. It makes people want to know what it is. So the neural hijack method, it makes readers physically unable to stop reading your emails. The way it works is you name your reader's biggest problem. So if your copywriting sucks and isn't doing the persuading it should be, this page will show you how to fix it. Really simple. Anyone who's landing on this page knows that their copywriting sucks, isn't persuading, and they want to learn how to fix it. So you just say that right off the bat. You say what they're struggling with, this page will show you how to fix it. Works for any business. Could work for storage units. You've got loads of clutter in your house and you need a storage. You need to learn how to store it properly. This page will teach you how to do that. So basically the neural hijack method is just saying whatever it is that your reader is going through, the biggest problem that they have, and then just telling them that by continuing to read, they will be able to solve that huge problem. Neural hijack method, they will have to read the rest of it because they want to know how to solve that problem. That's a really basic breakdown of it. You're going to learn all the intricate details. This is a massive, 25, 30 hour long course. So everything's going to be broken down extensively, piece by piece, section by section, to help you digest it. Right now I'm kind of just waffling off the top of my head, but we've got structured stuff coming up later which really breaks these techniques down for you. And you're going to learn how to do it. There's so many different psychological techniques in handwritten human copywriting is out of this world. So the whole reason I'm showing you this is not just to show you the difference between handwritten copy and AI generated copy, but to show you not to use AI. Final warning, if you use AI for your task, you will get bounced. You'll just fail immediately. So please don't do it. Please make sure that you're handwriting your emails. And yep, that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.